At Soteria Software, we automate your cyber compliance. One of the ways we do that is by letting you lock vulnerabilities that are false positives, so you can set the status, set the description, comments, and then lock them so that they don't flip back and forth as you have false positives come up in your compliance scans. We're going to show this with a couple of the Windows ones that are very common that our customers like to do this with. If you look at the Windows 2022 Server Stig, this checklist right here, it talks about Windows Server title for legal banner must be configured with the appropriate text. We're on a system that has to have something particular, not just the regular DoD, but it has to have something extra. So what we need to do is we need to actually take this number right here and we need to use the bulk edit and then the bulk lock vulnerabilities. The other one that's common is on the Windows desktop. So if we look at the Windows 10 Stig, same idea, it's this one, 220922. So we're going to combine some things here. We're going to go back to our checklist listing, and then we're going to go to bulk edit vulnerabilities. This is going to let us put in that number, 254458. Here are the 4 servers that we have. And we're going to specify not a finding and the comments right here for these 4. Go ahead and set that. Now these 4 have not a finding and they're configured and they're set. However, what we need to do is we need to lock this vulnerability right here so the false positive does not keep coming back up. So let's go to bulk lock and unlock right off of that page. The same thing, type in 254458. There are the 4 that we have, and we're going to lock them. That's it. That's all you have to do. They refresh, it locks right there. We can actually go back to the checklists, find that server 2022 Stig. You'll see there's a lock around that one. You can't edit any of this. You can look at it, but you can't edit it. You can always unlock it. But the rest of them, you can actually still lock and edit. This is done on bulk editing. This is done on the edit right here, the edit through the API, uploading SCAP, uploading another checklist. This will maintain right here and it will skip over the locked vulnerabilities. Perform the same steps on other vulnerabilities that you need to lock for false positive issues or so that they do not change accidentally. Again, this is yet another way that we are innovating around tracking cyber compliance and helping you automate and track your vulnerabilities across your team easily and effectively without wasting a bunch of time doing manual tasks. If you want to learn more, you can visit www.soteriasoft.com. Click on the demo button to see a live demo, or click evaluate, download, and run this for you and your team locally with your data to see how we can help you automate your cyber compliance.